These are the various components of logic robot, including a caster wheel, screwdrivers, breadboard, motor wheels, H bridge, motor driver, and motor caps, 2 DC motors, caster wheel nuts and screws, power supply jacket, connecting wires and chassis. Take the chassis and take 2 DC motors, take motor clamps, insert the clamp as shown in the figure. Make sure the shaft is in the center position. Take a big screw and insert in 2 holes of the DC motor through the 2 motor clamps, and take a nut from the other side and tighten it, both on the top and bottom, as shown in the video. Similarly, fix the other motor as explained just now, and take the 2 wires of 2 DC motors to the other side. Insert black color motor clips and insert wheels with the DC motor. And similarly, this side also insert wheel with the DC motor and motor clamp. Make sure that the wheel is rotatable. Now take the caster wheel and connect the golden color nuts as shown in the video. Make sure that wheel should point down so that it should give some suitable height. It should match with the motor wheels. Okay. Match this caster wheel to the 4 holes. Matching to the 4 holes, then tighten it from the top. Now take the edge bridge. This is the correct way to connect the edge bridge on the chassis, so that we can, this is the wrong and this is the correct. This position will enable us to give the connections properly. Now connect each DC motor to the DC motor outputs of a motor driver. Before that, you connect the H bridge onto the chassis as shown in the video. Then after that, you connect two DC motors to the DC motor outputs of the H bridge, like as shown here. Left motor to the left motor of H bridge, and right motor to the right motor of the H bridge. Take power jacket or power connection pin, and then identify plus and minus on the top of it, and then insert two male-to-male jumper wires and tighten it with the help of a screwdriver. On the edge bridge, you can identify a 12 volts input pin, common ground, and 5 volts DC output pin. Connect the power cord positive to 12 volts. And tighten it with the help of screwdriver. Now connect the negative of the power cord to the common ground. Now take a male-to-male jumper wire and give it to the 5 volts DC output of motor driver. Last pin is 12 volts, middle one is common ground, and this side last pin is 5 volts DC output. And there are three jumpers. One will give the 5 volts DC output, and two jumpers will control the two DC motors. There are four input pins: IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4. First two are related to one motor, and next two are related to the other motor. Take IN1 or IN2 to control one motor, A motor, and IN3, IN4 to control the B motor or second motor. You can call it as right and left motor also. Now take the 5 volts DC output and connect all these three in series. Your logic robot is assembled and it is ready to test. Now take a battery and connect it to the power card. Before giving the power supply, just check how it is moving. Okay, make sure that the two wheels are moving in the forward direction, then release it on the floor or on the ground. And if you interchange IN1, IN2, IN3, IN4 pins, it will go back. Similarly, you test for right direction and left direction. That's all set. Your robot is assembled successfully.